Hi, I'm Kira Nasrat, global makeup artist for Almay, and I'm here to show you how to create a makeup look for the night in with girlfriends on New Year's Eve. I'm going to even my skin tone with a Smart Shade skin tone matching makeup. My shade is straight up medium. I love this because the coverage is light and it looks very natural. Just a little bit of concealer underneath the eye. I love the Smart Shade concealer and my color is light medium mine. I start from the inner corner of the eyes and then work my way downwards, just patting gently. Using the light brown shade in the brow styler, I'm gonna go ahead and brush up my brows. I'm gonna be layering the brow stylers in a lighter shade and then also a darker shade to give it more dimension. So for a little bit of dimension, I'm adding the dark brown shade over it. Golden vibes for the eyelids using the Velvet Foil Cream Shadow, one of my favorite shades. To warm up the eye, but just to give it a little bit more of a pop. Using the top left shade of the eyeshadows, Never Settle, I'm gonna take that color and put it into the crease and blend back and forth just to give it a little bit of depth. Using the bottom left shade, the same palette, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of that and put it in the center of my lids just to make them pop a little bit. Using the Gel Smooth Liner in Espresso, I'm gonna add a little bit of depth and some drama on the corner of the top lash line. Giving my lashes some volume using the Multi-Benefit Mascara. Starting at the lash line, you wanna wiggle it upwards. Next, using the powder blush in shade Coral, I'm gonna apply it to the apples of my cheeks just to give it a little bit of color. Using the Instant Glow Highlighting Duo, the liquid, I'm gonna add some to my cheekbones and make sure you press gently in. Now for some lip vibes in the Girl Boss shade. I love this lipstick, it's super creamy, and just go ahead and go downtown with it. Lastly, Goddess Gloss in Cosmic. Thanks for watching my New Year's Eve makeup look, a night in with the girlfriends. I hope you guys have a happy new year.